Hey besties, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I'm going to be discussing my top 10 Amazon must-have travel essential items for your next big adventure. Now, whether you're a frequent traveler or just planning your next big trip, these items will have your trip more comfortable, stress-free, and more organized. Let's dive right in. All right, first up we have our suitcases. Before any travel, you definitely have to have a dependable suitcase. I like these Rockland 3-piece set suitcases. Depending on where I'm traveling, I can decide whether I want a 28-inch, I think 24-inch or 20-inch traveling suitcase. It allows me to be versatile. I can have my suitcase, my check-in bag, as well as my carry-on. Now this is a 360 spin. This is a 360 spin suitcase. They have the wheels on the bottom, which makes it very easy to maneuver throughout the airport, because baby girl, you want to make sure that you're comfortable. So definitely highly recommend any one of these suitcases. They come individually sized, or you can purchase a 3-piece set. I decided to get it. It comes in multiple colors as well. Yeah. This one is much better. Now inside of the suitcase, it does come with mesh pockets as well, which allows you to organize your items, and you can actually attach your bags. All of these, all 3 sets come with the same exact mesh interior inside of it. Highly recommended, must have, travel must have. Alright besties, so this video is sponsored by Luvadadesigns. I will tag their video down below. Check them behind. She has a wonderful story, and I'm so glad to say that she is cancer free. Now she sent me over some items for me to enjoy. Y'all know I'm a fashionista. I love me some from Luvadadesigns. Ooh, love me a little zebra print, okay? Listen, I love the cards that it came in. Now this is the Owner Janella Taxton. There you go. This is the bottom of the card. Now these is beautiful. Love me some color. It kind of matches my outfit right now. All the lovely colors. We have a little subtle white in there, a little cream off white if you're interested. I love me a little horseshoe. This one is by far my favorite. And there you go. All right, let's see, it does come with the little clear rubber back pieces. Yes. All right, Luvadadesigns. Yes, I love this earring. Give y'all an up close look at the earring. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. Very good construction. Heavy duty. Again, I will link her profile down below. Check her out. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video, and thank you for the package. Next up on the list, I have this 8-piece packing cube. Now, if you're afraid of overpacking, or you want to be a little bit more organized in your suitcase because you're funneling through your items looking for a t-shirt or a dress, these packing cubes allow you to stay organized. Now, they have several compartments in them. This one can hold your toiletry bag. It can hold your little toothbrushes, your toothpaste. They have some items with mesh in the front as well, which allows you to see through your items so that you're never funneling through your suitcase looking for things. There's so many different options available for you. You can put your toiletry in some, your shoes and others. Very spacious, expandable cubes. Again, I can continue going. 8 items available for you. This one might be my favorite. This allows you to put your makeup in here. If you like, you can use this as a toiletry bag as well. Your lotions and everything could be in one area whenever you're going to the restroom. You just kind of grab this bag, or if you're getting to your Airbnb or your hotel, you kind of hang it up as well so that you always have your items readily available for use. Again, it's an 8-piece bag. I think the mesh covering as well. This is a larger set that you can have. I use this, as you can see, for my womanly products. Mind your business. But I do have items in here that I usually just have pre-packed, so whenever I'm traveling, whether or not my cycle is on, I just kind of throw it in here, because girl, you got to pack for your friends as well. So if I have a friend that's on her cycle, I have them readily available for her with options. So all right, next up on the list, now if you're like me, the old me, I used to take all of my jewelry and actually throw them in a little Ziploc bag and just But I've ruined a lot of jewelry like that. Although it's just dress up accessories, it's not the most important things. But I've invested in a travel jewelry case, which allows me to pack my jewelry in here. I actually have this pre-packed. So whenever I'm going out of town, I kind of just grab it, and I have the basic necessities that I'll need on in there. It also allows you to hang up your chains here. You can put in your earrings in here with your little studs, close that up, and allows you to put in your rings and your any other additional sets. You have my anklets in here. I have some earrings in here. Listen, this is so cute for any outfit. I have my rings in here as well. As you can see, my anklet, my rings in here, but allows you to stay organized. Doesn't take much space in your suitcase, and you keep your jewelry safe without any damage. It has this little plush up top as well, which allows it to, you know, be damage free. It's a hardcover case, so you know your accessories are protected. Must have. Get you one, girly. Don't be packing your stuff in a little Ziploc bag like me. It's time to upgrade in 2024, okay? Listen, my favorite place anywhere in the world is an island, baby. I just love me a good island breeze. But if you're like me, you often get hot, and of course we want to keep our makeup intact when you're traveling, and you also want to make sure that you're staying cool throughout your trip. This is like the OG. I mean, every girl must have, not just for travel essentials, but just to have it in your car, in your purse. What I like most about this portable fan, now it does have 3 speeds. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3. Now you know it's powerful because that thing is blowing my hair. Yes, when I say cool breeze, okay, not that it only provides you with cool breeze, but one of the most important things that I like about this, it actually is remains, I would say, about 7-8 hours. Honesty, I've had this on a trip for a day or 2. I've used it and it will remain charged. Now, not just that, this fan also comes with a backup battery, which always comes in handy whenever I'm traveling. Now the only thing is, all new iPhones use a USB-C port, so I do have a USB converter attached to it because it only takes a USB, as you can see. So what I do is I use my converter, I stick it in here, okay, insert my charger port into my charger, I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna plug it in to show y'all. There you go. My phone stays charged, okay? Not only am I staying cool, but I'm staying charged. So you get a 2-in-1 with this fan. So highly recommended, just for your daily use, not just for traveling. But yes, again, share the battery. My phone is being charged, as you can see still. Highly recommended. Next on the list, now for any travel, you definitely need a day bag, packing bag. Now if you're a nature traveler as well, and you'll be traveling, maybe taking any hikes. Now I've gone on my first official hike. I've done little hikes, but my first official hike in Hawaii, I'll insert a clip here so y'all can see. Listen, I almost died, okay? It was over 1,000 stairs that we climbed to get through this hike, but it was amazing. But what made it more comfortable was that I had this hiking bag with me. Now, as you can see, it comes enclosed, but the amazing thing about it is it's a safe spacer for your suitcase. But whenever you're ready, no one has to know, baby. You can get you a day bag, okay? Zip this up, zip that up. And here's your day bag. Here's your day bag. What I love most about this day bag is that it has so many pockets. Interior pockets. They have side pockets for your mesh pockets for your water bottles. It's definitely lightweight. When I say lightweight, this thing has to be at least less than 5 pounds. It has interior pockets. And in the interior pockets, they also have mesh pockets as well, so you can separate everything. And not just that, once you open up the backpack, and I tell you, there's pockets for days. There's additional pockets as well. Now, if you're there's pockets here, in here. There's an interior pocket in here. I would actually probably put like my money, or if you have anything important, maybe a strap. Sometimes when I travel, depending on where I'm at, I don't leave my passport in the hotel, so I usually would carry it with me. I'll put it in here. It's very discreet. You zip that up, close it. No one even knows the pocket is down here. Yeah, you can pack very long, as you can see. Pack so many items in here. Love this day bag. Definitely a great purchase. And once you're done, all you have to do is roll this up, roll that up, bend that in, bend that in. And I tell y'all, I love safe space savers, because when I come back home, I don't want to have this big backpack laying around. I want to be able to just store it for my next trip, and this backpack allows you to do so. There you go. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Pack away your day bag. Even when you're traveling back home, save space in your suitcase. And there you go. This is your hiking bag. I love it, love it, love it, love it. I wasn't going to show y'all this because it's kind of messy in here. But I'm going to be my true self, okay? I'm going to come on here and I'm going to be my true self, and I'm going to show y'all. Matter of fact, this just proves to y'all that I actually use these items, right? That I actually use this on a daily. So if you're a little makeup girly and you like to do your makeup, but you kind of have makeup products all over the place when you're doing your makeup, this is for you. If you're that girly, when you're ready to travel, you kind of try to pack everything and you're trying to get everything in a bag, and oftentimes you forget something, baby girl, this is for you. Okay, so I have a makeup case bag that I purchased. I purchased this about three years ago, I'm sure. Now, what this has helped me with is whenever I'm doing my makeup, there's not a mess laying around everywhere. I kind of use an item, drop it back in here, use an item, drop it back in here in this slot, which keeps the counter clean. When I'm done, I kind of zip it back up and just wipe down the counter, so I'm not leaving a mess behind. You don't want to leave your makeup all over the place. That's just nasty. It's very discouraging for someone else to use the restroom after you, especially like if you're traveling, you have your girlfriends, everyone's doing their makeup. You don't want your item just laying around. Like that's very ingenuous and not courteous at all. So we're gonna open this so I can show y'all what's in here, okay? Remember, because y'all my besties, that's why I'm showing y'all this. Don't y'all talk bad about me now. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? There it is. This is my makeup case, my travel makeup case. Don't ask me why I have two what is this thing called? Laura Mercier. I just be purchasing item. Oh, the translucent powders in here. I have the Laura Mercier one on here. I also have the Sasha Buttercup one that I use. Depending on the day, sometimes I want a more brightness or I want a more subtle. Yeah. So I have my brushes here. These are my brushes. I kind of pack everything. It does have a slot as well for you to put your eyeshadow case in here. Not many eyeshadow cases fit in here, but if you find a little miniature one, it definitely fits in here. I have my foundation, and of course I use Lancome, baby. Like, I've used Lancome for years. This Colossal waterproof mascara is what I use, especially when I'm traveling. If I'm doing water activities, I always use waterproof because I don't need the thing to move. Like, I don't want to be worried about my mascara moving. It comes with these little dividers. This one's dirty, y'all, because of course I've had it for years, but it does come with these little dividers. Took it off. It comes with these little dividers, which allows you to add them into slots, so you kind of do your own little design on here, depending on how big you want it. You add it into the slots. You can divide them however you want. There were actually multiples that came in here. I just decided to use this. Depending on how I'm feeling, sometimes I'll move them. I'll add a little smaller one, add more compartments, but this is about it. Very cute. Whenever I'm traveling, again, I'm usually a late packer. I'm packing the night before, even though I planned the trip 3 months ahead. So whenever I'm traveling, I just kind of grab this. If I'm going to my friend's house to get ready, I don't need to pack my makeup. I just grab my makeup case and I know everything I need is in here, with the exception of my setting spray, which I often forget, and I do need to find a travel size setting spray so I can put it in here. That's the only other item missing in here. Other than that, I have everything I need to do my makeup. Throw it in your suitcase and baby girl, you're good to go, okay? Next up, now this may not be a necessity for you, but y'all know how y'all always complain about somebody's child making so much noise? It's because y'all don't have any AirPods Pro. Get you some AirPods. Okay, get you some noise canceling headsets. It doesn't have to be AirPods, but noise canceling will definitely save you. This is my go-to. I will turn back around in my house and go grab it if I forgot it, because baby girl, it just does the trick. Okay, so whenever I'm traveling, I definitely need to have my AirPods Pro, because in the airport I kind of put something on and I fade away because I need to relax and I need to get some sleep. That I pack late. I'm packing the night before. I haven't slept all night and I need to get my little 1 hour, 2, 3, 4, 5, if I'm going to Hawaii, 16 hours worth of sleep before I travel. So get you some AirPods. Okay, get you some AirPods, get you a case so you can always have it for whenever you're ready, whenever you're traveling. Throw it in your purse, listen to your music, watch a movie, whatever it is. Bluetooth connectivity, it allows you to rest. All right, so last on the list but most important, this is another item I will turn around for, or it would just ruin my trip. You have to have a travel tripod. One of the things that I love about this tripod, that it is so tiny. When I say tiny, but not just that it's tiny, it also comes with a remote control, Bluetooth connectivity, so you do not need to have a friend to take pictures for you. I like to take my own pictures only because I don't like bothering people. If I don't like the picture, I gotta actually take another one, take another one, take another one. It's very compact. It can just fit in your purse. There you go. It's an extended stick as well. As you can see, it has a stand. You connect your phone here. There you go. Connect your phone. You kind of twist this thing to kind of fit. Open that up and make sure. There you go. Connect your phone. You tighten it up. There you go. You see here, cut my little Bluetooth on. The Bluetooth is on. Because you see the blue blinking light, my Bluetooth is on. I'm going to connect right here on my Bluetooth. I haven't used this in a while, so I kind of have to remember. I don't even remember what the name is. I haven't used this one in a while because I have a new one. Oh yeah, it's the Ewing Ting. It's just such a weird name. Oh, it's connected. I wish the Bluetooth would actually have the names in the right order. So as you can see, turn that around. I have y'all looking at my backdrop. There you go. Y'all see my remote control here. You see my hand is not on the phone, and I'm going to snap a picture. Say cheese. There you go. Say cheese. Hey. There you go. So that's what I love the most about this. It is Bluetooth connectivity. You do have to charge it as well. But yeah, cut that on and you don't need a friend. And when you're done, you kind of close it back up. Take your remote control, add it to the slot that it belongs in. Actually, there you go. Add it to the slot. You can unscrew your phone. Unscrew your phone. It allows you this little thing there. You close that up right here. Like I mentioned, stick it back in your purse. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, must go. Like traveling in your purse, wherever you're going out to brunch with your friends, wherever you're going. I kind of just take this everywhere with me because it is a necessity. I just want to make sure I capture all the moments. Listen, I'm a camera photos girly. Okay. And there you have it. Those are my top 10 Amazon travel must-have essential items to make your trip more comfortable, stress-free, and more organized. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Comment down below your favorite item, or if there are any items that you did not see me mention that you may use for your traveling needs. Comment down below so that I can add it to my travel essential list as well. Thank you all for watching, and see you next time. Bye.